बच्चों आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे लेसन 3 चार्ट इन एक्सेल। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है टाइप्स ऑफ चार्ट। तो इन एमएस एक्सेल देयर आर मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ चार्ट विच आर यूज्ड फॉर प्लॉटिंग ग्राफ्स for the values which are given in the table. So first we select all the values which we want to plot in the graph. So there are many charts in the MS Excel. First is bar chart. So in bar chart is used for displaying data in the form of rectangular bars. So first we see the figure of bar chart. So this is the figure of bar chart. So in bar chart there are long rectangular bars which are in the horizontal direction. You can see in the picture that bars are in horizontal directions. In it at x-axis categories are in it the categories are mentioned at the vertical axis. यहाँ पे देखेंगे categories कहाँ पे होती हैं, vertical axis पे होती हैं, and the values at the x axis. So it is used for comparison of different values. Bar chart can be in stacked form also. Now we see the stacked bar chart. तो stacked bar chart देखेंगे. So this is the stacked bar chart. So it is used to comparison between different data values. So this is the stacked bar chart. ठीक है, bar chart is used for comparison of different values. Next हमारा आपका column chart है. तो column chart is the most popular chart in the Excel. It is the default chart type in the MS Excel. Now we see the figure of column chart. So this is the diagram of column chart. So in column chart there are vertical bars. Here are vertical bars, categories at the x-axis and values at the y-axis. So it is used to show different trends of data over a time. It is the default type of chart in MS Excel. नेक्स्ट इज अवर लाइन चार्ट. तो अब लाइन चार्ट का डायग्राम देखेंगे हम लोग. दिस इज द लाइन चार्ट. तो इन द लाइन चार्ट देयर आर डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स विच आर कनेक्टेड बाय द लाइंस. लाइन चार्ट में डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स होते हैं. दे आर कनेक्टेड टू बाय द लाइंस. In it data is represented at the equal interval, so such that it show trends of data over a equal interval of time. So this is the line chart. Next is area chart. So this is the area chart. This is the picture of area chart. So it is the advanced form of line chart, or you can say column chart. It displays the data over a regular interval time. So it displays the data in the form of volume. In the volume over different times. So here you can see the picture. It can show the proportional values of data to the whole by this graph. Next is XY chart. It is also known as scattered chart. So this is the picture of XY or scattered chart. So in scattered chart there are two axes, x-axis and y-axis. At x-axis is the independent variable and at the y-axis is the dependent variable. The values of y depends on the values of x. Both x values and y values represent a point, and by this point we represent the data in the XY chart. For different data series, we use different symbols to represent in the chart. So this is the XY or scatter chart. Next is pie chart. So this is the diagram of pie chart. So pie chart in the form of circle, it represents data in the segment of a circle. So it denotes the relative size of data in the segments, but it is used for only one data series. It is used only for one data series. It is used where we have smaller values. It is used for the smaller values of data. So this is the pie chart. नेक्स्ट देखेंगे आप, नेक्स्ट इज द डेफिनेट चार्ट. तो डायग्राम देखेंगे पहले डेफिनेट चार्ट का. दिस इज द डेफिनेट चार्ट. तो डेफिनेट चार्ट इज आल्सो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सर्किल्स. इन द सर्किल, तो देयर आर 3 डायमेंशन इन द डेफिनेट चार्ट. For each, it is used for more than one data series. Pie chart is used for only one data series, but definite chart can be used more than one data series. So here in the picture we only show one data series. If there are more than one data series, so each data series add a ring in the definite chart. So it is form of the concentric circle. In this diagram, there is only one ring. If more than one data series, there will be more than one rings in the form of concentric circles. So by it, we can compare different data series in the definite chart. Next is radar chart. Radar chart. So this is the diagram of radar chart. So in radar chart, different data values are plotted by the points, and these points are joined by the lines. ये lines देख रहे, point जो मिला रहा आपको. So these points are joined by the lines, which is known as grid line. So it is used for the data which are not time dependent. It is used for the data which are not time dependent. So it is used for scientific calculations. So this is the radar chart. So it is also used for aggregate values of the different data series. Next is stock chart. So this is the diagram for stock chart. So this is a special type of chart which is used to represent the different stocks or shares or daily or annual temperature. So this type of chart uses specific data series like opening stock, ending stock, high stock and low stock. So it is uses specific data series: opening price, ending price, high price, low price. तो दिस इज द स्टॉक चार्ट. नेक्स्ट इज बबल चार्ट. तो बबल चार्ट देखेंगे हम लोग अब. तो दिस इज द डायग्राम ऑफ बबल चार्ट. तो बबल चार्ट इज ए स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ चार्ट which has 3 dimensions. 2 dimensions are represented by the x-axis and y-axis, and the third dimension is represented by the size of bubble. You can see the different sizes of bubble. So size of bubble denotes third dimension. 2 dimensions are x-axis and y-axis, and third dimension is the size of bubble chart. So this chart is used for comparison of different data values. Next and last is our surface chart. So this is the diagram of surface chart. The data arranged in column and rows can be used for plotting surface chart. So this type of chart is used to find optimum values between two data series. So it is used for plotting graph between two data series. So this is the surface chart. So here we see total 11 types of chart: bar chart, column chart, line chart, area chart, X, Y or scatter chart, pie chart, definite chart, radar chart, stock chart, bubble chart and surface chart. All the above chart, column chart is the default type of chart in the MS Excel. So this is your topic types of chart is completed. Thank you.